Good morning, everybody, and happy Friday. I'm sorry for the delayed email today. My neighbor loves to mow his lawn on Friday mornings and tends to take about 2 hours. So as you can see, we're in a new location. I figured you were all tired of seeing my bookshelves, so you get to see our family picture wall behind me. Just a little, like normal, a little bit of positivity today. 246,414 people have recovered from COVID-19, according to the COVID Tracking Project. The USA did 366,944 tests yesterday, with a positive percentage of 6.9%, again, according to the COVID Tracking Project. So today I'm going to stand on a bit of a soapbox, and I'm going to pick on talking heads from TV. You know, normally it's easy to just dismiss them, but yesterday, a segment on CNBC, two of them actually, made me visibly angry. Yesterday, Stanley Druckenmiller and David Tepper, both who are legendary investors, they were hedge fund managers for a long time. David Tepper still runs Appaloosa Management. You know, both went on CNBC and touted extremely bearish views, very similar to Bill Ackman when he did it in the beginning of March. Again, a legendary hedge fund manager. But, you know, in touting this bearish view, the question nobody asks them is, what positions do you hold? Most of these hedge fund managers have a bearish view because they're shorting the market. And then once the market falls based on their commentary, they're able to cover their shorts, buy the market, and take advantage of the recovery. We saw it happen with Bill Ackman in March as well. I cannot stress this enough. Talking heads on TV do not care about us. They're not there to give advice. They are there for their own self-interest. And if you are a Jim Cramer or a Scott Wapner, both who I follow on Twitter, I've conversed with before, and are very good people, their job description is to get people to watch. It is not to provide advice. So as crass as it sounds, they do not care about us or about providing knowledge to us. I'm interviewed often by various publications. I've been in Forbes and Yahoo Finance, and I've had chances to go on CNBC on a number of occasions. I always refuse. See, the opportunity to go on CNBC is purely for notoriety. The idea is to get the name Forefront Wealth Planning out there, but they don't want me to provide guidance or knowledge. They want me to take a stance. They want me to say something is good or bad, and the more controversial, the better. It's nothing short of dishonest. And yesterday's interviews with Tepper and Druckenmiller are perfect examples of that. The purpose of these emails and videos that I send are to provide you economic data and updates while also mixing in information about the virus, as well as what's going on in my life and what many of you can relate to in this kind of stay-at-home life that we're all living. The idea is to give you clear and concise knowledge designed to make you comfortable, because clarity and communication are what's going to lead to comfort. Anecdotally, I speak about my children and family, but talking heads on TV, they use fear and emotion to create panic and confusion. It's awful. And as this crisis has progressed, it has only gotten worse. Let me know what data you're looking for, and I'll provide it on a daily basis. Whether you want more information about case growth or testing or some sort of other economic news, these videos are for all of you to get clear and concise news without sensationalism, without fluff. As if life isn't, difficult and weird as it is, now we have sophisticated investors going on TV, manipulating the public to benefit their own personal investments. It's pretty low, if you ask me, and just as bad as a convenience store down the road selling water for $12 a bottle during this pandemic. Yesterday, as I watched these interviews, all I thought about were the poor people who were just starting to get over the fear of 2008, being hit with this panic and fear all over again, all while the people touting this fear are profiting. So I'm sorry for my soapbox this morning. It was an annoying interview to watch yesterday, but it was something that bothered me quite a bit. Please reach out to me, set up your portfolio review. Let me know if there is information or data that you're looking for in these videos and emails, and I will be happy to provide it. Have a wonderful week, have a wonderful Friday and an even better weekend. I will see you all on Monday.